Hello students, back to some more practice problems with Stride here. Here you're just wanting to identify these things as an element or a compound, so I'll just write E or C. Sucrose, compound. Helium, element. Baking soda, compound. All the elements are on the periodic table, so if they're on there, must be a compound. Diamond is a element. So it doesn't say diamond on the periodic table, it's made up of carbon. Aluminum foil, element. Substance listed in the periodic table, all elements. And calcium chloride, a compound. Number 11, we get to find the percent mass of each element in aspirin. So if we want percent, our basic little thing is part divided by whole. In this case, we're going to do percent hydrogen. The part is 6.03 grams. The whole is, that one right there, 134.50 grams. Little calculator work. And we take 6.03 divided by 134.5. And then you don't want to move your decimal twice or multiply by 100. Here we get to keep, we'll just do 3 sig figs on this one. And I get 4.48% hydrogen. And we want percent of carbon is going to be 80.70 divided by 134.50 equals type it in the calculator. We get 60%, but to an appropriate number of significant digits, we're going to write a 60.00% carbon. And then for percent oxygen, we've got 47.77 divided by the whole of 134.50 again. 47.77 divided by 134.50 equals, and 4 sig figs we get 35.52%. Oxygen. Quick check you could do on these is to add them up, see what we come up with, and we get 0, 0, and we get 100%, so we must be right. Unlikely you could have made mistakes and come up with 100%. Number 12, they tell us how much sulfur we have, and they tell us how much copper we have. To get the total amount, we got to add those together. You take 2.89 plus 5.72. Get 8.61. So our percent sulfur is going to be the 2.89, your part, divided by the whole, 8.61. Then you'll express it as a percent. Go to my calculator. And I get to keep 3 sig figs. It's going to put me at 33.6% sulfur. And then our percent copper will be the 5.72 divided by the 8.61. Which gives me 66.4%. Add these up, we get 100 again. Now you don't always have to come up with exactly 100, but it should be very, very close, like 99.9 or 100.1. Those things will happen due to rounding errors. Now this one, it gives us percent by mass, and we want to know what mass of oxygen reacted. So, here I'll just figure out my whole. So our percent is equal to part divided by whole, which means the whole is your part divided by your percent. And always want to put your percent as a decimal. So in this case, the whole amount, or total amount, is going to be 16.4 grams of aluminum, and we know it's 52.9%, so divide by 0.529 equals, can't do that one in my head, so I'll go to the calculator. And we get 31.2, 3 sig figs, 31.0 grams total. So then it said we had 16.4 grams of aluminum, so I'll just subtract off the 16.4 grams. And we got 14.6 grams of oxygen that reacted. Good, that takes care of this little group of practice problems. That's all for now.